Okay guys, this will be a very quick review since it's late tonight and this is my home, it's not my workshop. The knife I will be talking about is this one. It's the Boker Pelican. As you can tell from the round cutouts, it's made by Zinker. It's famous with these cutouts and the overall framework. As you can see, this knife is just like a keychain flashlight. But a couple of things. Handles are titanium. It is very lightweight. It's maybe 1 ounce. I won't speak about specs in my videos. The blade is American style tanto from VG10 steel. It is very nice looking blade with that stone washed finish. My videos will be just to show you the knife almost in person. I know you can find the specs, so my videos will be to show you the knife itself. Just a second for focusing so I can show you. Yeah, I have it for 2 months and I use it almost every day. I carry it when I go running. I run like 5 miles, so no problem at all. It keeps cash, it keeps credit cards, debit cards, so no problem. And it is keychain size. What do you think? Because this knife is maybe one of the little guys in the knife section which has a really bad ass blade. Yep. And Forest Berserk campfire too. That was the review. I will just pop a bottle on the end with one hand, of course. The ultimate taste for a bottle opener. Forest Berserk Campfire 2 in copper, titanium and steel. This was the review about the Boker Pelican designed by Zinker, American tanto, titanium handles and VG10 steel. Bite. Have a nice one, guys. Pour a sip, drink a beer, drink some whiskey, and subscribe and like and share my videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.